Hello, I'm John, the creator of Speak British English. This is the fourth video in a series covering the general characteristics of the British accent. In this lesson, you'll learn about connective speech. You'll also learn how to get a month of free access to my online pronunciation school. In the last video, you learnt that we use a glottal stop when a t consonant comes at the end of a syllable, but not when it comes at the beginning of a syllable. Compare these phrases. Sit down. Sit on a chair. Sit down. Sit on a chair. The sounds p and k behave similarly. Let me demonstrate. Keep walking. Tuck me in. As you can hear, I'm not making a p sound at the end of keep, and I'm not making a k sound at the end of tuck. Keep walking. Tuck me in. Now listen to some phrases in which the p and k consonants come at the beginning of a syllable. Keep up. Tuck it in. Here, the p and k sounds are loud and clear. Keep up. Tuck it in. Now listen to these phrases using the consonant sound ch. Teach everyone. Teach people. As you can hear, in both examples, I'm making a clear ch sound. I'm also using glottal reinforcement. Listen again. Teach everyone. Teach people. When connecting the voiced consonants d, b and g, there's no glottal reinforcement. However, like with p, k and t, these sounds are only pronounced strongly when they come at the beginning of a syllable. Listen to these examples. I had a cake. I had no cake. I had a cake. I had no cake. As you can hear, in the second sentence, I'm not making a d sound. Instead, I put my tongue into the d position, hold momentarily, and then proceed to the n sound. Listen again. This time I'll demonstrate the right way and the wrong way. I had no cake. I had no cake. The voiced consonant j connects like ch, but without the glottal contraction. Compare the following phrases. Arch back. Large bag. March on. Barge in. Connecting other consonant sounds is more straightforward. The most important thing is to not add a vowel sound. Here's an example using the voiced consonant z. He's here. He's here. As you can hear, when I do it the wrong way, I add a vowel sound between the two words. If you make this mistake, it's because you're focusing too much on voicing the consonant. Listen again. This time I'll demonstrate very slowly. He's here. He's here. As you can hear, although I am using a voiced z consonant, most of the sound is unvoiced. Here's another example. There's my friend. There's my friend. Now listen to how I connect the sound m. Come nearer. Come nearer. Notice that when I do it correctly, I hold the m sound as I transition to the n consonant. Listen again. This time I'll do it very slowly. Come nearer. Come nearer. This time I'll connect the sound th. With the me. With me. Again, The key is to not add any vowel sound between the two consonants. With me. With several consonants, you can combine two sounds into one. Let me demonstrate. Love eel. Love feel. One e. One knee. As you can hear, two consecutive v or n sounds combine into one sound. This is called gemination. Here's another example. This time I'll demonstrate the right way and the wrong way. With the them. With them. Notice that although I am using a voiced consonant, most of the sound is actually unvoiced. Listen again. This time I'll do it very slowly. With the them. With them.